Hi everybody, Gregory here, and guess what? Now I get to hang out with Miss Kay from Dupe That.
Hi everyone.
Hey ladies, gentlemen, guess what? We're gonna share some of our favorite dupes with you right now. Ready?
I'm ready.
There's two situations I have to introduce you to.
Okay.
The Beachhead Beyond the Zone Tropical Texture. It is my version of, let's say, Oribe's salt spray or a texture spray. If you want a lighter experience, grab the Mystic Divine Coconut Complex version.
Okay.
It has that coconut oil, so I want you to think of a soft salt texture.